In today's video, I will walk you through how to delete a passkey on WhiteBIT. A passkey provides a secure and convenient way to sign in to your WhiteBIT account without entering your password each time. However, if you've replaced a device, no longer use a particular phone or computer, or simply want to remove an existing passkey, WhiteBIT allows you to manage and delete your saved passkeys through your account's security settings. To get started, tap your profile icon and navigate to your account settings. From there, go to the Security section, where you'll find the options for managing your account's security features. Within the security settings, locate two-factor authentication, then click Manage Passkeys. Open it to view all of the passkeys currently linked to your WhiteBIT account. Carefully review the list and select the passkey you would like to delete. Make sure you're removing the correct one, especially if you use multiple devices to access your account. Next, choose the option to delete or remove the selected passkey. WhiteBIT may ask you to confirm your decision before the passkey is permanently removed. Once the process is complete, the selected passkey will no longer be associated with your WhiteBIT account. You won't be able to use that passkey to sign in again unless you create a new one in the future. But remember, once you remove your passkey, your account will be frozen for 72 hours. This is WhiteBIT added security measure. And that's how to delete a passkey on WhiteBIT.